Welcome. Today I will show you how to replace the battery in Smartwatch Amazfit model A1914. We tried to peel off the screen, but this is too sticky and this method is not feasible. So we removed the rear cover using a metal opener. We have already done it using much force. Unfortunately, this involves breaking the housing threads. As you can see, there are screws. But this is the only safe way not to damage the screen. There you have the battery. There are two screws, and there was a metal shield, and you have to unplug the battery. This is the battery. After the replacement, use the glue and assemble the back cover. So if you want to replace the battery, you have to use opening tool, and on the back cover remove the housing threads, and then your smartwatch will work fine again. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and till the next time.